Welcome back, folks. Everyone is going solar. Businesses, private residents, and even the folks that are supplying the energy to clients across northern New Mexico. For more than 30 years, Poulin Design Center has been leading the charge with cutting-edge technology in home remodeling.
We're third generation here. My father was a contractor. My brother, incredible, passionate about home improvement and helping people find their dreams. And we wanted to make an impact because we have kids now. You know, like his daughter is integral part of our company. My sisters. So we all as a group wanted to make that impact.
And that impact came by employing their own energy and money-saving technology to their design center by going solar.
It's, you know, almost 20,000 square feet of everything in home improvement, including solar now, which is fantastic. In the last 4 years, we've developed an incredible system that we use.
The facility, as you can imagine, is an energy-devouring monster. And with that demand came sky-high bills.
You're talking $2,000 to $3,000 a month in monthly payments.
Yet more importantly, Poulin's decision to go solar will save on average 122 tons of CO2 offset, more than 3,000 trees, and 285 barrels of oil each year. A cost far more important in the long run.
Having the sun power your business is just, it's incredible. You really don't think of it until it actually happens.
And now is the perfect time to bring those savings into your home.
Right now, you have your last year of the 30% tax credit. In the next few months, all of us aren't going to be able to fulfill and complete your job this year unless you get moving on it now.
And all throughout the month of July, Poulin is making it even easier to afford the solar transition with 20% off savings on your system.
And now with a 20% off July celebration, you can maximize your return with over 50% off.
But the incentives don't stop there.
The state of New Mexico does not charge sales tax. Okay, I don't know how long this is going to last, but right now, no sales tax, and they do not raise your property tax. So the cost of the system adds value to your home, right? But you do not pay extra property tax.
And if that wasn't enough, Poulin will be giving one lucky homeowner the ultimate deal on going solar.
We are also giving away a solar system. It's $15,000. We did it last year. I showed up with all of our great people with balloons and stuff. That could be you. And for every person that has us come out, whether you buy a system or not, we're going to do a full home energy checkup for you. It's $150 worth of LED bulbs and all types of strips that prevent power from going out of your house when your systems aren't turned on. So we're going to do this for you for free.
So don't delay. Schedule your free home estimate by logging on to PoulinDesignCenter.com or visit their all-new solar-powered showroom in Albuquerque just north of Paseo on the Pan American Freeway. Now, as Steve was saying, Poulin has a variety of solutions and promotions happening all month long. And if you want more information, just head over to NewMexicoLivingLocal.com.